Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the trade bar in Rithmic Trader. And the trade bar is very important because with the trade bar you can buy orders or sell orders very easily. So what we're going to do is we select right here chart and then double click on it right here. For example, CME, Australian dollar, and then we load in this one over here. Then you will find right here the beautiful chart, and that is one thing that we need to do from here, because if we are having the chart right here, we do right mouse click and then do show trade bar, and then you will find right here the trade bar where you can create by yourself some good orders. So this is very important to know. Now select right here the account that you want to trade with, boom, there we go. And now we have the balance and we can create or sell positions with this nice trade bar. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.